table like go quiet. Plate full, heart still dry. They talk like I'm a shadow, like I'm passing through their eyes. Every win I bring them, they turn and point elsewhere. Look at him, he made it, then leave my name out there. And it cut so deep when I'm right there. Hear my own blood, act like I'm not there. Why do you leave me out? Why do you build me down? I'm still your son, your child. Don't make me wear that down. You praise another name, then compare me every time. Why do you leave me out when I'm trying to be enough? My uncle says I'm slow, my sister says I'm late. My mama tells my cousin he's the one who won't break. And I smile at the dinner, but my chest is full of stone. I learned to clap for others while I sat there all alone. Tell me what you see when you look at me, and mistaking the room of family. Why do you leave me out? Why do you build me down? I'm still your son, your child. Don't make me wear that down. You praise another name, then compare me every time. Why do you leave me out when I'm trying to be enough? I'm not asking for perfection, just a little grace. Say my name with kindness, look me in the face. If I fall, stay near me, don't hand me shame. I was made for more than living in your chain. Why do you leave me out? Why do you build me down? I'm still your son, your child. Don't make me wear that down. You praise another name and compare me every time. Why do you leave me out when I'm trying to be enough? lifestyle. Turning up the kitchen, yeah, we do it with a smile. From the coldest savanna where the frost hits the ground. Got a secret flavor that's shaking up the town. One bite, switch it up, watch your senses ignite. A sweet little magic, yeah, we're cooking it right. It's a mouth-watering dream, dripping gold on a plate. Exclusive in the kitchen, yeah, you know it tastes great. So easy, so smooth, just a flick of the wrist. The kind of satisfaction that you can't resist. From the wild frozen plains to the global stage, we're flipping the script, yeah, we're turning the page. Mind-blowing taste, yeah, it's hitting the soul. Keeping it bold while we lose our control. The world's gonna feel it, the world's gonna know. The SD recipe, watch the flavor just grow. Simple, delicious, yeah, it's pure gold. The greatest story that's ever been told. So easy, so satisfying, crave it all day.